Hello, dear children. Welcome to Computer Class 4, Lesson 2, GUI Operating System Desktop Management Part 3. So, children, we have already gone through the topics operating system, features of Windows 10, the taskbar, and customizing the taskbar, and desktop icons. And now, today, with the second part of the session, we will be covering the topics how to customize the desktop, more about the customizing the Windows setup, and use of shortcut menu. In customizing the Windows setup, page number 18 of your book. In customizing the Windows setup, we will be learning how to change the date and time in setting the volume of the speaker. Now let us look into how to change the date and time. Figure 2.4. For changing the date and time, click on Start and then go to Windows Setup and select the Control panel. In Control panel, you have to click on the Date and Time option and then a dialog box will appear stating the date and time. By default, date and time as per the computer instructions is selected. Now, to change the date, that is figure 2.5. First, when you click on the change and time button, the date and time dialog box will appear. Now what you will have to do is to select the current date in the displayed calendar and change the month using forward and backward button present on the calendar. Now to change the date, you have studied already and now you will learn about how to change the time. To change the hour, you have to select the hour in the text box, which you can see just below the clock. You have to click on the spin arrow, then increase and decrease the hours as per your choice. Likewise, you can change the minutes and seconds according to time. Then click on OK and the date and time settings of the system will change according to your instruction. Now the next topic is setting volume of speaker. Click on the speaker icon and press the notification area. A pop-up window opens. Here you have to drag the slider to the left or to the right just to increase and decrease the volume respectively. Now page number 19. Let us learn the use of shortcut menu given on page number 19 of your book. When you click on any icon, a pop-up menu appears which is known as context menu. This menu is used to access the command just as to save your time. When you right click on the different areas and objects, it displays the different sets of commands. It is also termed as context menu or shortcut menu. Now next is figure 2.6. Right click on the blank area on the desktop. Right clicking on the blank area on the desktop, you will find a list of options at the bottom of that list. You will find the option as personalize. The option seen as personalized option of this list can be used to change the desktop background colors of the windows. You can even lock screen background. Settings of the desktop could be changed. Screensaver, appearance of the icons, menus, taskbar, all you can change with the help of this personalize option. Now right clicking an object, that is figure 2.7. When you click on the right side of any icon of the desktop, you will find a different list of options. At the bottom of the list, you will find properties option, where you can find the basic information about the icon. Now, dear children, these are the most commonly used icons in a GUI operating system and most commonly settings too, which we have gone through in this lesson with the help of 3 different sessions. Now, what you will have to do is to go through the lesson properly with the help of your PC. Try to change the date and time, customize taskbar, desktop, and use the shortcut menu also so as to clear your concept in a much better way. Dear students, as you will go through the chapter and once you will practice the same in your PC, you will find it easier and much more interesting. After the school reopens, we will try the same. We will do the same in our practical lab too. Believe me, you will enjoy doing it practically. Clear your concept, study well, stay safe and have fun. Thank you.